All right, hey everybody. This is just a quick tutorial on how to propose available meeting times in Gmail. I'm doing this tutorial because a lot of people have asked me, so I just figured I'd make a video using the new Vids app within Google Workspace, which can actually be found, as you can see right here, new. Okay, so what you do, you first want to get compose an email, of course, right? And then you want to go down right here to the bottom where it says set up a time to meet. All right. And then, of course, select propose times you're free. Okay. All right. And then what will happen is you'll see find times you can meet. And you'll see there's variations of time frames here. You could do 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever the case. But let's do 30 minutes on this example. And you can see if I just click the button here, right on to the calendar that pops up to the side. I can click it here. I can click it here as well. You'll see down here at the bottom, it'll show the availability for February 18th. And maybe you're thinking, oh, well, I want to give them the option for tomorrow. Simply click this arrow right here, and then you can once again start selecting times, and you'll see those available times here. All right. Then once you have the times you selected, you simply select the next option. Now, one thing to keep in mind here that the event title and the calendar meeting invite, which will automatically be accepted if the person you send it to accepts the invite, you need to make sure that this portion is correct. So let's just say Beagle and ABC Realty Risk Review meeting, right? You can still see the event duration is 30 minutes. You can see those available times there. And let's say you forgot, you can go back and add a date if you would just like to, right? Let's say, oh man, I forgot the 20th. Let's click that. And then you can just also select the plus buttons to keep adding, the X to delete, of course. You can see the meeting info. Put your description in here as well. This meeting is to review your risks, your portfolio risk, blase, blase, right? So, and then you got the title, you got the times, you see here, and you can see right here, it's already prepping itself to be within your email. All right. And then once you select add to email, watch how it just pops in there. Boom. All right. So you can write something like, hi, Johnny. Please see my availability below. Simply select a time that works best for you, and I will adjust my schedule accordingly. Thank you. Whatever, right? And so once they select said time, it'll automatically go right into your calendar. Of course, you would hit send. Of course, you need a recipient, but that's the gist of it, everybody. How to propose available meeting times. Once again, go right down here to this calendar icon. You select set up a time, propose times you're free, and then you go through the process again here. Okay. And all you have to do is simply select the day along with the time. You can move the days over, time, so on and so forth. Okay. Hope that helps.